Oh, you forgot to thaw out your frozen salmon? No problem. Let's bake it to perfection. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I share a lot of simple cooking videos like this one. So if you're just learning or trying to get more confident in the kitchen, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can cook together twice a week. So I'm starting out with some frozen salmon straight out of the freezer, and it's still in a bag. So I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil at the bottom of my baking dish. You can line it with parchment paper as well. I'm just gonna take some scissors and remove the salmon from the packaging. And as you can see, mine still has skin. So I'm gonna place the skin side down directly on my baking dish. Since it's just you and I here today, I'm only cooking 2 pieces, but this works for 4 or 6 or more. Up next, we're gonna make our salmon taste great. So I'm going to take some olive oil and drizzle it right over the salmon on top. And then I'm gonna use a brush to brush it right over it. Use the back of a spoon if you don't have one. The olive oil is gonna give our salmon a nice crispy crust, but also it's gonna help our seasonings stick to the top. Now, what I have here is my salmon seasoning, which is a mix of garlic, paprika, some Italian seasoning or oregano, and salt. And I have the ingredient amounts right below this video for you. So I'm gonna take some and sprinkle it right over the top. Seasoning is super important. It's part of making your salmon taste great. I'm going to cover the baking dish with foil so at this high temperature, steam can build inside and first thaw out my salmon. I'll bake it covered for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna remove my foil and bake it uncovered the rest of the time to give my salmon a crispy crust we love. All right guys, this salmon is ready to go. Let me remove it from our baking dish. Believe it, from the freezer to the table, so quick, so good. And check it out, it's perfectly cooked inside, no longer frozen. And it tastes great. Try it, let me know in the comments how you like it, and let's cook together again. See you soon.